It's lesson number 1 when you're setting up a YouTube channel. Ensure your audio is perfect. People can get by with poor quality video, 720p. Remember when it used to be good quality? But people can't get by with poor audio. So today, I'm testing out this USB microphone from FiFine, the T669. Let's unbox it and check out its top features and talk about the price, because the price is mind-blowing. Let's go. So, a quick unboxing of the FiFine T669. What's in the box, as Brad Pitt would say. So inside we have our information and some branding from FiFine themselves. Again, I just want to reiterate, this was sent to me by FiFine, however I've been given no direction. This will be a fully honest review. You can also see the instruction manual, which of course I read diligently. Not. Pop filter with that nylon stocking insert in order to stop pops, T's and P's and B's. Pop filters work, folks. Use them. As I mentioned, this voiceover is actually coming to you from the T669 without a pop filter, but using the wind protector. Anyway, back to the unboxing. Spare cables for the shock mount. Let's see. I like the design of this actually. It's a plastic shock mount, but not cheap plastic, and I like the stealth black design of the whole entire setup. Couple of splashes of light, you can see just up there, a little bit gold, but it's a really good design. This is the extendable arm mount for your desk. Got about a 2-inch gap there, so not many desks are thicker than that, unless you've chopped down an oak tree recently. You're going to have to file that down a bit more then if 2 inches isn't going to be big enough. This will extend about 3 feet, so absolutely ideal for any desk setup you may have. Good use of packaging here, popping the long 6-foot long USB cable, USB-A cable, into the wind stopper. So that was well done, FiFine. And then almost last but not least is the microphone itself. The microphone comes in at just under £70, so $70 or so on Amazon. Link in description below. The mic is fairly unique in that for the price you get the gain control on the mic. Super handy. To reiterate, the lower the gain, the better the quality. I have my gain set to about 20%. And then finally in the box, this cute little tripod mount for popping on the desk. I may use this, however, I think for live streams and Zoom calls, Microsoft Teams calls, all the stuff, I'll mostly use the extendable arm. But hey, it's nice to have options. We all love options. So yeah, that was the quick unboxing. Let me just pop this tripod on. I seem to be struggling a bit here. Bear with. Oh, there we go. Oh, we're good. Now, you're not going to get great height out of this tripod. In order to have it safe and secure, you really want to extend and push down all the tripod points. But there you go. Cute little tripod mount included for £70. So that was the unboxing of the FiFine T669. I have no idea why people are struggling with the name of this company. FiFine have been wonderful at sending me out this product, and it's been a pleasure to review. What I want to talk about now is who the product is actually for. So me as a YouTube creator, I have used this product a couple of times now for voiceovers. Now, I used it for the voiceover in this video, and I've kept it in because I want to show you that not everything can be perfect first time. The voiceover, while good, it's not great because I had the gain turned down just a little too low, and we'll get into gain in a minute or so. What I want to talk about more in detail is who it's for. So as I mentioned, a YouTube creator now for voiceovers or for live streams. Now for my setup, I am just using the microphone in its little tripod mount. You can see there the gain I've turned up a bit more, so I'll test out that for you. But I just use the tripod mount for voiceovers, and it works really well. However, what I will be moving into is live streams. So with the tripod mount, I've got the windscreen on the mic, and again, as I explained in the unboxing, that helps with your P's and B's and T's. It really just restricts that popping sound that you get in a lot of videos. What I will do for live streams, however, though, is I will add the pop filter in. For longer periods of time with speaking on videos and live streams, which will last a lot longer than any voiceovers I do, it's handy to have this here as a blocker. So really useful that it's included in the box, and this will follow you anywhere you go with the arm. Now the arm itself is fully adjustable. You can tighten and loosen the tension. You can add the shock mount to the arm itself. I have not been using that just now, but what I do love is the stealth black design of this. Really clean and real quality. So obviously this is metal, steel. The pop filter itself doesn't feel flimsy at all. I mean, you can manipulate this any way you like. But most importantly, let's be honest, that's all fine and well. But what's the quality of the mic? So I'll just take this windscreen off just now. That is a good looking microphone. Okay. The metal design with the... You could technically speak into any area of the microphone, but with the condenser mic, you can maybe see in there, I always like to speak directly into the front, so wherever the logo or gain is. And as you're aware, this is a USB-C microphone, so it will just plug in to any device that you have with that USB connector. Did I say USB-C earlier? If I did, I meant to say USB-A. So USB-A connector into any of your devices with its special connector into the bottom there. So let's talk about price. £70 on Amazon is a fantastic price. I am not just saying this. That is really an amazing price for the quality of sound you're getting, for the functionality for it to be live streaming voiceovers, to get the pop filter and the arm included and the shock mount. Stellar. Really, really good. I will use this mic from now on and until I deem it necessary to change, because my channel's got so big. I need to spend thousands on audio equipment. Let's be honest, that's probably never going to happen. So I'll be using this mic for a long, long time. Now, something else you may be interested to know is I use the Shotgun Mini, Rode Shotgun Pro Mini. Can't remember the name of it, but it's attached to my Sony ZV-1, and this is the sound you're hearing just now. So that's the sound from the Sony ZV-1 with the Rode connected. And for the rest of this video, this will be the sound from the FiFine T669 audio microphone. I feel like a news presenter or a game show host that I could hold it, and again the tripod itself folds down neatly so you can just use that. So this is the sound from the mic. As I mentioned, talk straight into the front of the mic with a condenser. This is how it would sound from the rear. So if you had a guess, perhaps, I mean, you'll be able to tell me, how do you think that sounds from the back? Is there a major difference from the front? So that's the sound from the T669. Super impressive, super easy. I mean, for me, when it comes to audio, I have no background in audio engineering at all. So to be able to get this 6-foot cable another important fact, when you've got that shock mounting arm, it does adjust quite a distance, so it's important to have the long cable included in the box. When you've got that connected, it's super simple. It's literally just plug it in. If you've got a Windows or Mac PC, it should automatically recognize you've plugged in an external mic and switch to that. If not, go into your sound preferences and select your output as your input, as the FiFine T669 microphone. I hope this sounds good. Otherwise, this whole video's just kind of pointless. But I know it does. I know it sounds really good. I will continue to play around with the gain. I said I'd mention again. On the front of the microphone, there is a gain level. I had too low, and that's because the lower you have the gain, the better the quality. That's just the general rule of thumb. The lower the gain, the better the quality. When you increase the gain, ultimately what you're doing is increasing the range of the microphone and what it can pick up. So any external noise. I actually am in a quiet room, so there's no issues, and my family aren't at home. Kids are away, wife's at work. So I thought I could have the gain still low and it would be fine. But listening back to the voiceover in the edit on Final Cut Pro, I could tell that I could turn it up a bit more. So what I have done is turned up the gain. So can you notice a difference? This was the gain when I was doing the voiceover, and this is now the gain that I've turned it up. Let me know what you think. Please leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video. A massive thank you to FiFine for sending me the product. Really appreciate it. I am a small channel. I've just passed 500 subscribers, so a massive thank you to all of you that watched. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, hit like. And if not, it's all good. There's thousands, if not millions, of other tech channels that you can watch, and I want to spread the love to them all. So follow who you want to follow. Until next time, take care.